everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Adarsh Tropica, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Adarsh Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is your who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the information and details of the project. And about the land parcel is just opposite to the marketing office where the construction work is going on. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this is total 13 acres of land parcel with total 8 towers in it. And let me tell you, 2 towers were launched in phase 1 and in phase 2, there are 6 towers. So with each tower of basement, ground plus 13 floors, having 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part. So this project is located in Chodasandra, Sarjapur Off-Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore. So let me tell you that this road will connect you towards Gatahalli. Now, about the further connectivity of the project. Sarjapur main road is 2.5 kilometers away from the project. RGA Tech Park is 3 kilometers away. Wipro Cority is 3.6 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part. So this project has 25 plus luxurious amenities like of the clubhouse with all the indoor amenities. Here's the swimming pool, the basketball court, multi-purpose court, garden area, kids play area and many more. Now let's discuss the super built up area. As mentioned, this project will be having 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies with 2.5 BHK starting from 1385 to 1395 square feet. 3 BHK starting from 1585 to 1610 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So project booking windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample and actual flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Adarsh Tropica, located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Adarsh Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.